In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an iCloud unable to load storage info on iPhone. So there are a couple of reasons why this could be possibly happening to you. First is going to be because of a poor internet connection. So ensure that you have a very good Wi-Fi network, or you could also toggle between your mobile data or your Wi-Fi in order to go ahead and check it. Simply go ahead and turn on your airplane mode on and then hold it for 10 seconds and turn it off again. And this will refresh your network connection. Also head into your settings and then simply go all the way down to general and then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset and click on reset network settings. This is also going to go ahead and help you to ensure that you have a better network setting. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on your profile and then simply go ahead and look for updates. If you don't find it there, it could be inside of general. Click on software update and make sure that your iOS is up to date, just like that. The other thing you want to go ahead and try to do is going to be force restarting your mobile device, and that is done by pressing and releasing the volume up and the down button and then holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.